Adobe Illustrator is a top-tier vector graphics editor widely used in industries that require high-quality graphic designs, such as digital art, illustrations, and typography. As a cornerstone of Adobe's Creative Cloud, Illustrator offers a plethora of tools designed for creating scalable vector artwork, making it ideal for logos, icons, and complex illustrations. The software provides precision and control over graphic design elements with features like path editing, shape tools, and advanced color management. Illustrator supports multiple artboards within a single document, enhancing productivity for multi-page and multi-size projects. Although its extensive toolset can be overwhelming for beginners, Adobe offers a wealth of learning materials to ease the learning curve. For seasoned designers, Illustrator's capabilities are indispensable for producing professional work. The performance of Illustrator is generally strong, though it can be demanding on system resources when dealing with complex files or large projects. Like Photoshop, Illustrator is available only through a subscription model, a potential downside for those who prefer a one-time purchase. Despite this, for professionals and those who require high fidelity and scalability in their graphic work, Adobe Illustrator remains a powerful tool, continually updated and supported through its integration with Adobe Creative Cloud. Its main drawbacks include a steep learning curve and the necessity of a subscription, but its advanced features and consistent updates make it a worthy investment for serious graphic designers.